Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shelley and this is Train Karate with Shelley. So guys, if you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, comment, give us a thumbs up so that you can be able to give you some good lessons. And again guys, if you've not watched our previous video, please go back, watch it so that you can be able to move step by step. So on today's lesson, you're going to be learning how to make a fist. A fist is what we learned before we are able to throw a punch. And we're going to learn two different styles of making a fist. So the first one, we're going to be holding out our arms, and the other one, we're going to be extending our arms on the longer side. And so guys, we're going to be learning in three aspects. I'll be showing you how to make the fist. I'll demonstrate how the fist should be, and that we are going to do it together. So guys, now let's learn how to make a perfect fist. So guys, this is the first step. We're going to place our hands up there. So you're going to notice that I've extended all my fingers up there with the thumb on the outside. Curl your fingers on the inside simultaneously. After that, continue curling them in the inside until you reach your palm. Make sure that your thumb is it's loose. You're going to know why you're leaving it loose on this other side. So after you place it there, now place your thumb on the index finger, right in the middle, on the other side, just as I've done that. Now this is a perfect fist. Again, I repeat, place your arms up there, curl the top part of your fingers, continue folding them until you reach your palm. Leave the thumb on the outside loose, should be loose. Then the third step is to make sure that you lock and secure your palm, your fist. So guys, this is a good fist. This is what we're going to be using when you're throwing our punches. The second style of throwing a punch or making a fist, extend your arms. Make sure that you curl or bend your fingers. Continue folding them until you reach your palm. Leave the thumb loose. The third step is to make sure that you're going to lock that fist. So I'll show you on the other side, on my side. So these are my arms. Curl them or bend them. Continue until you reach your palm. Then lock your fist. So that was on that side. The other side, the same. Extend your arms. Curl your fingers or bend them until you reach your palm on the inside. The thumbs are loose, then lock. The reason as to why we're leaving our thumbs loose is because we're trying to avoid an injury. So if you leave your thumbs not locked, you might end up with an injury to your wrist, and we should not do that. We should at all costs avoid injuries. So now let's do it together. This is the third step now, guys. Place your arms on this side simultaneously, and then curl your fingers. Continue folding them until you reach your palm. The thumbs, I said they're loose. Now lock your fist. Good job, great job, guys. This is how we're making a fist. The reason as to why we are making a fist as a first video is because we progress to the punch, but that is going to come later, guys. So I repeat again for the last time as we do it together. Place your arms, curl your fingers, bend them until you reach the palm. Remember we said the thumb is loose. Lock it. Good job, great job. Thank you very much. So guys, make sure that is how you're going to be making a fist. Repeat this video continuously until you are able to make a perfect fist. Remember, I said that we're leaving our thumbs loose because we are trying to avoid an injury. So guys, if you're new here again, I remind you, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Give us a thumbs up. Let's meet in the next video. So thank you very much. Domo.